Today's video from Sharp. We're taking a quick look at a bit of a problem you can have on the XEA137, and it can also show you how to solve the problem and also how to avoid it in the long term. So this machine in front of me, when I connect it to the mains, I've got the power supply plugged in, connect it to the mains, turn it on, we get the normal display appear on screen. But whenever I try and process a sales transaction or do anything on the till, as soon as I hit the first department button, the machine does that. So on the operator display, I've got dashes appearing on every single line. They don't always flicker, so if I turn it off and turn it back on again, sometimes they'll just appear. So if I go 99, department 2, yeah, they come back on. So mine, they're flickering all the time, but I have had this problem reported to me without them flickering. There's no easy resolution, unfortunately. What's happening in this situation, and I can't guarantee that this is what's happening in every scenario, is that the wrong power supply has been plugged in. So this, obviously the 137 is an entry-level machine, so it comes with a separate power adapter. So you get a power adapter like that. What's happened in this scenario, I believe, is that the customer has lost the power supply and then either replaced it with the incorrect voltage and ampage power supply, power adapter, or just grabbed the nearest one and plugged it in. So this one is incorrect, it's not suitable for the 137, it's got the wrong voltage output on it. It hasn't damaged the machine in terms of, in respect to the fact that if I plug in the correct power supply I can use the machine again, but it has caused a problem to the thermal print head, which I'll show you. Plug the correct adapter in. So this machine I've taken apart a bit so I don't have a cash drawer on it, because I'm doing some repairs on it, but I just thought I'd show you guys while I had it out. So this is now plugged in with the correct power supply, so I'm able to process sales, but what you'll notice is that I'm getting no print on the till receipt. So I haven't got a cash drawer connected, but if I had, that would work. So the till's able to do sales transactions, work normally, but the printer's not working. This is because by plugging in using a power adapter with too high voltage, it's effectively shorted the thermal print head. So you can, if you ever get a printout like this with big black blocks on the side, that can be an indicator that you've got a problem with your printer. So fortunately in this situation the only thing is to replace the thermal print head. I'll do a separate video showing you how to do that. Obviously if this is what's happening in your case, so you're getting those dashes and you've checked your voltage and ampage and you can see that it's wrong, you've got a couple of parts to replace. You'll need the correct power adapter, and then obviously if you check out my video on replacing the printer, you'll also need to order the printer as well. So the problem is solvable, but the problem is also avoidable. So if this hasn't happened to you yet, or you're thinking about buying a 137 or any register with a separate power adapter, and you're doing a bit of research, key thing is to mark your power adapter up, make it clear that it's not to be removed, that it's for the till only, and then if someone does run away with a power adapter or it goes walkabouts, you've got to replace it with one with the correct voltage and ampage. I'll put links in the bottom of the video description to where to order parts for the 137, so power adapters with the correct voltage and ampage, and also thermal printers that are compatible with the Sharps, providing I can find someone selling them online. I'll put links to those up as well. So yeah, I hope that video has been helpful. It might be a frustrating video if that is the problem, but at least it's confirmed maybe what's going on with your register, so you know you've either got to repair it or replace it. So yeah, feel free, if you're carrying on using the 137, check out my other videos appearing on screen now. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sharphelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.